Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to GJ's Global Consult YouTube channel. So in today's particular video, I believe this is something most of us are going to find very interesting. What I mean very interesting means that I'm going to be opening up so many secretive details here in this particular video. And if you don't want to miss out, I would advise watch this video to the end. In today's particular video, it's more or less like how you can be able to create an international TikTok account and earn with 0 followers. This is something I believe is going to be like, wow, is it really possible? Of course, this is 100% possible, that you can be able to create a perfect international TikTok account and use that same account to earn amounts just like this. This is real and this is possible. And if you really want to learn how this is being done, I will advise you watch this video to the end, grab the details, and also follow up the instructions which I'll be stating in this particular video. So guys, do not forget, see you in the video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to GJ's Global Consult YouTube channel. So in order to create this account, there are something you have to understand at first. First of all, you have to understand that you have to make sure that you've uninstalled your TikTok app, because in order to do this, you're going to be starting afresh, which means even if you have gotten an account before and you want to create this international TikTok account, I believe you really know the value of having this international TikTok account, because it has so many benefits that you won't want to miss. The one I'm even finding more interesting is the one that you can be able to sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be having this amount saved and given to you just for signing up. This is something I believe you really want to enjoy. So I will advise to watch this video to grab what I will be discussing in this particular video. First of all, you have to make sure that you uninstall your TikTok app from your mobile device. So if you have uninstalled that, you go on to your Google Play Store or your iOS store to download this app and also this app. So that is just the apps you are going to be downloading. And once you download it, then you head over to the video to watch the step-by-step guide on how to get started. So guys, welcome to the video. The first you have to make sure that you do is to uninstall your TikTok app. And in creating this account, you have to make sure that you have also created a new Gmail account to start up the creation. So guys, once you've downloaded this app I recommended you guys to download, I'll be dropping a link that you are going to be clicking in order to create this account. Make sure that you go ahead, and the link will be in my description section, or I'll be dropping it in my comment section, so it will be easier for you to copy this link and paste to the browser which I'll be navigating you guys through this video, so you'll be able to get this benefit of getting this token in your balance. So guys, you have to make sure that the app you've already installed, which is what you're going to be starting with, which is the Epic browser. This Epic browser is actually an encrypted browser that is already having a VPN that you can use. As you can see, we are going to be creating a UK TikTok account, so I have to make sure that the VPN is actually siting at UK. So, and then I'll copy the link which I already posted in the description section, so you can just copy the link and paste on your Epic browser to continue the sign up process. So as you can see, join and earn £6 just to join. So guys, you click to join and you sign up. So you sign up and put in your birthday, just make sure you fill in your correct details. Meanwhile, as I've already said, you have to make sure that you also have a new Gmail account for this. You create a new Gmail account for this. So I'll be putting in a new Gmail account which I just created for the purpose of this video. So my password and sign up. Code will actually be sent to my Gmail account in order to confirm the account. So I have to go and check the code. So as you can see, the code has already been sent, so I have to click on to confirm the code that was actually sent. Let me go back again. I think so. Okay, yes. So I have to fill in the correct numbers in order to easily verify the Gmail account. So now I have to choose in a username which is going to be a unique username for my account. So after filling in your username, just click on to sign up. So guys, that is how easy it is to sign up for an international TikTok account. So as you can see, this account is having 0 followers. So I will have to go on to confirm if this account is actually having the features of an international UK account. So just click on your profile to check and manage your account. So once you click on that, you'll be seeing that the account is actually in pounds, which shows that this account is actually an international account. So this is just how easy it is to create an international TikTok account. So now the next thing you just have to do is to head over to
Google Play Store in order to install back your TikTok account, your TikTok app that was actually deleted initially. So in order to do that, you have to change your Gmail to the new Gmail you just created in order to download this TikTok account. And nevertheless, do not forget to turn on your VPN, because that is what you're going to be using in downloading this. So the other apps which was WINDSCRIBE was what I turned on in order to download this TikTok with the VPN turned on. So that is, since we are no longer in the Epic browser, so we are actually now in the mobile app itself. So we have to make sure that we turn on the VPN in order to get an access to this account. So guys, do not forget, you have to make sure that you use your VPN whenever you're logging in, because since it's a UK account, you're going to be using this UK account from a UK VPN to avoid TikTok holding or banning your account. So now the app is actually installed, so I have to sign up the account I just created. So I have to click on to allow. So I choose the best content I would love to watch. So guys, you now click on start watching. Here you have to log in now. Here you have to log in. So since we not signed up with our number, we have to put in the email which we just created for this account. Please make sure that you create a fresh email for this account. So once I'm done, a code will be sent to my email account. So I have to click on that code to verify. So once you've done verifying them, you are good to go. Your account is now fully active and functional. So you can go ahead and check your profile to check if this account is actually an international UK account. So guys, I have to go onto my profile to check, and you see for yourself that this account is actually having the features of an international UK account. So guys, I will have to click on my profile and go on to creators tools, because that is where you'll be getting all that. As you can see, the creativity beta program is active, and work with artists is also active. So this shows that this account is actually an international TikTok account.
So guys, I believe you have actually gotten the value from this particular video. So in order to follow and get whatever I've shared in this particular video, you can watch them or actually follow the step by step. And if you have any questions regarding whatever I've shared, do not forget my comment section is always open to air your question. I will definitely reply you without delay. So guys, watch out in my next video, and in next video I believe is something you won't want to miss out. And in order not to miss out, make sure you turn on the bell icon by staying subscribed and also liking this particular video. So guys, see you in my next video, and please subscribe. See you in my next video guys.